Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. So in this video, today we are going to learn what is JavaScript, and if you are complete beginner in JavaScript or you are going to start your learning journey with JavaScript, don't worry, I am going to go very basic step by step, and in this complete series on JavaScript we will understand and learn JavaScript. So let's get started the role with JavaScript on websites. Getting basic understanding of web development that deals with three web development layers, which consist of content, style, and behavior. We can use content by using the HTML, and we can give style on the website by using the CSS, and we can set the behavior by using the JavaScript. So now what is JavaScript? JavaScript is lightweight, cross-platform, single-threaded and interpreted compiled programming language. It is also known as scripting language for web pages. It is well known for the development of web pages. The majority of web browsers supports JavaScript. This enables the developers to show dynamic content, control multimedia, animate images, and pretty much everything else on web page beautifully. So JavaScript is designed to help both beginners and professionals. JavaScript is used on both the client side and the server side. On the client side, the code is run and displayed by the browser. On the server side, node.js is used. So next question is JavaScript compiled or interpreted or both? JavaScript is both compiled and interpreted. In the earlier version of JavaScript, it is used only the interpreter that executed code line by line, and that shows the result immediately. But with time, performance became an issue as interpretation is quite slow. Therefore, in the newer version of JS, probably after the V8 engine, the JIT compiler was also incorporated to optimize the execution and display the result more quickly. This JIT compiler generates a bytecode that is relatively easier to code. This bytecode is set of highly optimization instruction. The V8 engine initially uses an interpreter to interpret the code. On further execution, the V8 engine finds patterns such as frequently executed function and frequently used variables and compiles them to improve performance. So now we use the V8 engine. JavaScript is best known for web development, but it is also used in variety of known browser environment. This is very important question. How to link JavaScript file in HTML? JavaScript can be added to HTML file in two ways. First is internal JS, means internal JavaScript. We can add JavaScript directly to our HTML file by writing the code inside the script tag. The script tag can either be placed inside the head or the body tag according to your requirement. Next is external JS. We can write JavaScript code in another files having an extension .js and then link this file inside the head tag of the HTML file in which we want to add this code. Syntax is first we use the script tag, in between that we use the JavaScript code and close this script tag. This is a basic example that shows the output on the console by inspect element. So first we take one example. Open the Sublime text editor. First we add the title tag in the head section. In body section we add the script tag. In between that we use the console dot log, and in between that we add some content like welcome to UI Ninjas, and close this script here and close the body section. Save this file. This is the internal JS. Save this file and see the result on the browser window. Right click on it and click on the inspect, then check the console. Here the output shows welcome to UI Ninjas. This is the internal JS, and next we use the external JS. So we can change this code. First we remove this, and in head section we add the JS file path. We make another file console.log, and here we set some content and semicolon. Save this file by using the extension .js and link this file on the HTML file. Here we add the script source. Here we set the file name script.js. Close this script. Save this file and see the result on the browser window. Right click, inspect, then check the console. Here the result changes welcome to UI because this is the external JS. This code is the external JS. Thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. Keep watching and happy learning.